Gage flyback rope and racing out in front is second by Mesmerize. Here comes Windsor Lady showing speed now in the early part. And passing the winning post, it's now Windsor Lady in front by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Mesmerize in second. 5 lengths behind now is Fly Out I Fly. And going along for the first turn, Windsor Lady, high bowling in front now, leads by some 6 lengths. Mesmerize is running in second, 2 lengths back now to Fly Out I Fly. Next on line is Manpower, then followed by Reclamador. Here comes in yellow jersey, that's Shining Crown. Around the outside now, Sunday Street, Beat the Heat, coming close now with Mali Him, then followed by Caton Dance, who's running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, Windsor Lady flying away now at about 5 lengths over Mesmerize in second. Fly Out I Flies in third by some 2, then followed by Manpower. Here comes Shining Crown and Beat the Hit, taking now the 4th position as they swing for home. Windsor Lady hanging on with a half length leader. And Mesmerize, Fly Out I Fly on the outside. Is Fly Out I Fly. Beat the Hit is running by the wheel. But this one, Fly Out I Fly, leads by half a length. Beat the Hit moves up. And finally close one, Fly Out I Fly. Beat the Hit, Mali Him, close Reclamador, 4, Manpower, Mesmerize.